guys, well, guess what? We made it to Destination 2. There was some, a little bit of some trouble on the trail for the old two-wheel drive Ford. But we made it, and I'm super excited. And this view is absolutely amazing. Let me just show you. We got Monolake in the background right here. We are getting ready to make some dinner and have a good time. We got some cocktails coming up later. We got to have cocktails. So I'm getting ready to make some dinner. I'm going to do steak and broccolini tonight. Super simple. And we're going to go from there. So catch up with you guys real soon.
Good.
All right, guys. So tonight's menu, we got steak right on the scuttle. Oh yeah, looking good. We got that going. We're gonna get some broccolini going here soon. Catch up with you. Just flip the steak. Nice crust on that side. There's dinner. Listen, don't come at me in the comments, okay? Yes, I use steak sauce, okay? It is good without it, but I still use a little bit of steak sauce. So, mind your business. All right, guys, we just made dinner. I got steak with broccolini. My boy Ryan's got carne asada tacos. We're about to dig into this because it's getting windy, so it's getting kind of cold. I got a Mammoth beer. I got my steak sauce. I love steak sauce, so don't get mad at me. We got the view. We got the fire. We're going to eat. We'll catch back up with you guys in just a little bit. Man, this is a perfect steak. Look at that. This is a perfect steak. Perfectly done. Well seasoned. Look at that. That's perfect. Perfect. Got the broccolini here. Look at that. This is perfect. You can't get any better than this. Morning, YouTube. It is the last day of our wonderful 2-day trip. We are currently above Monolake right now, and we had a wonderful time. We're going to make up some breakfast here, some bacon, eggs, sausage, you know, the whole deal. Some wonderful grub. And then we're going to hit on the road, head home. Hope you guys like this video. Oh, there's bugs everywhere. Hope you guys like this video. Drop a like, drop a subscribe. It really will help the channel out. It's free, absolutely free. Slept in the back of the old Ford last night. Love sleeping in that thing, man. It's so comfortable. I have one of those duality mattresses from Hess, and man, the thing sleeps well. Got a little cold last night. I think dipped down to maybe 39, 40 degrees. So we had the diesel heater going. Kept us nice and warm all night. Kept me nice and warm all night. And I have my buddy Ryan. He's got the same deal over there. Diesel heater going. So keep an eye out for more future videos. And like I said, please drop a like and subscribe. Also, like we talked about earlier, you don't need a lot of equipment to get out here and do camping like this. If you want to just get out and go have fun, pop up a tent, get yourself a fire ring, make a fire, cook some food, have a good time. And just remember, get out there and adventure. It's what it's all about. And have fun. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one. Cmo out.